In today's video, we're going to be talking about common causes of bleeding during early pregnancy. You may have recently become pregnant and have noticed bleeding in the early stages. So in this video, we're going to cover 5 of the main reasons you may have bleeding in the early stage of pregnancy. So the first reason can be implantation bleeding. Some women experience light spotting or bleeding when the fertilized egg implants itself into the lining of the uterus. This usually occurs around 6 to 12 days after conception and is generally mild and short-lived. The second common reason of bleeding during early pregnancy is miscarriage, and unfortunately miscarriage is a common cause of bleeding during early pregnancy. It can occur due to chromosomal abnormalities, hormonal imbalances, or other factors. Symptoms of miscarriage include bleeding, cramping, and the passing of tissue from the vagina. The third common reason is something known as ectopic pregnancy, and in rare cases the fertilized egg implants outside of the uterus, usually in the fallopian tube, and this is called an ectopic pregnancy and it's considered to be a medical emergency. Symptoms if you have an ectopic pregnancy can include abdominal pain, vaginal bleeding, and shoulder pain. A fourth common cause of bleeding can be cervical changes. During pregnancy, the cervix can become more sensitive and may bleed after sexual intercourse, if a pap smear is taken, or during a vaginal exam. It's not usually a cause of concern and it typically resolves on its own. The fifth common cause of bleeding is something known as a molar pregnancy, and this is a rare type of pregnancy where a tumor grows instead of a normal pregnancy, and it can cause bleeding, abdominal pain, and other symptoms. A molar pregnancy would require medical treatment or surgical intervention to prevent complications. As always, if you are concerned about bleeding during pregnancy, it's always best to consult with your doctor, have a blood test, or even have a scan to check if a fetus is developing. So we've made it to the end of the video. If you've made it all the way to the end, leave a 100 emoji so I know you've made it here. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.